Today I'm preparing coleslaw. So I have a big cabbage here, white cabbage, and I'm going to use like 1/3. Yeah, that's the idea. I just realized I need peeler for the carrot. Okay, where's it? Oh. So I'm trying to put here, something like that, and maybe here. Let's go here. Because I'm not going to use the whole cabbage for this recipe, so I'm starting. So this is small. I think it's easier to use food processor for this. It's super fast, but I don't know why I'm not doing that. Just realize that maybe it's not enough. Oh, probably, but we'll see. Well, it's crunchy, it's like cheap. I mean, the flavor is different, but I'm super hungry, I guess. And that's the reason. Okay, now it's time for the carrot. And I'm using the vinegar. Oh, do it like that. Of course, you can use the processor to speed up the process, and it's advisable. But I'm doing that the hard way. Wow, it's brown. I'm super hungry. So this is the result. Cutting. Maybe mango. The ratio between carrot and the cabbage is like not satisfactory to me. The carrot is long. So I think I'm going to use another part of the cabbage, that is. So it looks like I use half the cabbage. Okay, and I think I'm going to use like, I just step on the cabbage. This is the reality of cooking. So I'm going to use, I think, 6. Well, that's like 2 tablespoons, right? So 3, 4, 5, that's a lot. 6. Let's come back to the fridge. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, like this. And what else? Salt, that's like a lot. Salt, white pepper, and half of lemon juice. Just removing the seeds. I mean, some people use sugar, but this is the version I'm preparing. So I think this dressing to the main bowl, doing something like this. Just a good mix. Just let me taste this one after, one more time, after. I think it's good, but prepare it up. So thank you for watching and happy cooking.